Why do you look like you're wearing stockings, Homer? That's what happens when you get down in the pond, buddy. Makes your legs look skinny. Look at you. Look like you're about to perform Moulin Rouge. What are you doing? Going to the club? Look at those. You look like you're wearing thigh-high boots, buddy. What's going on? Hi. Hello. Hi, pretty girl. Good morning, pretty. Hi. Your little tongue. Hi. Hi, cutie. Good morning, precious. How are you? Hi. Hello. Hi. Excuse me. I would like to let everybody know. The more you yell at me, the slower I go, okay? That is no way to talk. Okay, Geraldine, I need you to take it down. Iris, relax. I'm doing my best. I'm by myself, guys. Come on. Let me ask you this. Have I ever not fed you? Ever? Have I ever not fed you? That is a lie, Iris. That is a lie. If anything, you are overweight because that's what Dr. Small said. So, enough of you, all right? I love you. Say it back. Thank you, buddy. I love you. Mama loves you.